back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing Parakeet Slimes, $100 worth of her. I mean, this is a lot, but I am so excited to review Parakeet Slimes. I love her so much, and let's get on to the video. So, also, I'm having a poll up here. Yeah. Vote if you want my videos to be ASMR slime or just normal, like, review, like, talking. Because, like, talking like this or talking and whispering. So, okay. Let's get on to the video. The first slime we're going to be reviewing is Matcha Green Tea Face Mask. This is an 8-ounce slime. And yes, I do have another one. Yes, I do have another one of Matcha, but I love it so much. So, I decided to get another one. So, this is a super thick and glossy slime. It's super creamy and has such an amazing scent. It has like green tea scent, you know. So it's super amazing. I love it. It has great bubble pops, flocks, and the scent is just so calming and relaxing. And the texture is just very unique. It's very creamy and nothing like I've ever felt from her before. So I love it so much, and I rate this one a 10 out of 10. This next one is Baby Burb Feather Fluff. This is a butter slime, and whoa. Okay, so this is one of her Feather Fluff slimes. I did have to reactivate this one, but I let it sit for a day. That's why it's bubbly, because it inflated. So this one is super thick and super creamy, and it just is amazing. It's like a butter slime. It kind of feels like a puff slime. I've never had I Love You Puff, but I've had Autumn Cookie Puff, and it feels like this a little bit. But I definitely think this is going to be able to inflate. But it smells really nice. It smells like shark gummies, and I am loving it. It has great bubble pops, and I rate it a 10 out of 10. Look how much is inflated. Let's check. Yeah, that's not gonna fit. This next one is Party Milk. This slime is, whoa, so thick. It is glue all, and it has these like chunks at the bottom, and they're little clay chunks and some sprinkles, and this is such cute slime. I love it. It smells really good. It smells like birthday cake, and it has great bubble pops and thwocks. And I rate the slime a 10 out of 10, and definitely recommend you go grab this. This is like the baby of her other slime, Party Mix, and it is a little bit like lowered, because the other one had like a bunch of Chex Mix, like peas, you know what I mean. But this one is super amazing, and I love it. It's called Oreo Book, and this is a new one of her bestsellers. That is really thick. I think this is like a glue all. It smells kind of minty to me, which is kind of weird, but maybe some mint scent got thrown in there when she was making holiday slimes. It smells not like cookies and cream to me. It smells like a little bit, but like more minty, but I don't know. So this one's super thick and glossy. Like, do you see that gloss? And has great bubble pops and thwocks, and has this glitter is in here to represent the Oreo chunks, I think we know. And this smells great, just not like cookies and cream to me, like Oreos, but it's okay. So I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. It has such an amazing texture and I love it. Slime is Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade, and that crunch, I love it. This is one of her best sellers. It's like her number 2 bestseller. Whoa, it's really creamy and has a really unique texture that I've never felt something like this. Even the sister slime that I reviewed before did not feel like this. So this smells like blue raspberry icy. That's what it smells like to me. But maybe it doesn't smell like that. So it has great deluxe. It's super thick and a little underactivated though. It has some flown beads and it smells so amazing. So I rate this slime a 10 out of 10 and I definitely would recommend purchasing this one from her next restock if you can manage to get it, because y'all know she's the queen of selling out fast. Is Santa's Milk. Whoa. Whoa, that's thick. This one is super thick and it has a elasticy texture, like different than her other milk slimes. It's definitely thick and has a minty scent and like a gummy scent to me. And it's so blocky. This reminds me of Straw Baby Queen by the Bomb Slime, and it has some peppermint clay chunks. I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. It is super thick, has an amazing, unique, elasticy, like different texture than usually, and I love it. And it has some sprinkles, clay chunks, and smells so amazing. So I definitely recommend that you get this tomorrow, since it will probably be the last time that she restocks it until next year if she's still doing slime. So this is the final slime. Cereal Milk Oreo Book. This is her most best-selling slime and I've been so excited to feel it. So it's, whoa. This is pretty thick. It's just been sitting in my house for quite a while. So I'm going to, oh wow, it's really thick. This is so thick, so glossy. Has a different texture than Santa's Milk and it's just like stretchy, glossy. It's like pearly. It's so amazing. I love this slime so much. It smells like cereal milk. Like it smells like Fruit Loops and Captain Crunch. And it smells so amazing. So I definitely, I recommend this for her from her shop. It's so amazing. It is her best seller, so you're gonna have to be really fast when grabbing it. And I love this slime so much. I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. It is super thick, super glossy, and has great bubble pops. And it's stretchy and so amazing. And I definitely recommend this slime, obviously. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this review video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment down below. And bye!